guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've done a tutorial, and today I created this look. I don't even know what to call it yet. I'm sure I'll come up with the name after I upload the video. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so, and also make sure you click that little bell so you guys get notified whenever I upload a video. And also, I just want to say thank you for everybody who has stayed subscribed to my channel, and welcome to all the new subscribers, because I've seen that I do have new subscribers. Sorry, this hair is just bothering the shit out of me. Anyways, I will list my social media down below, and if you're not following me on Instagram and on Snapchat, I will list them down below. But anyways, if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with this hydrating stick by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm just going to apply this where I get dry. Even though I get oily from here, I still get dry. And my forehead, especially my forehead. Then I'm going to apply this Pixie lip polish. I'm going to apply this on my lips to prime them because they're a little bit chapped. Then I'm going to apply this Pore Eraser Primer by the brand Italia. So I covered my under eye circles off camera because you guys already know how I do that, and I don't want to bore you guys with the same routine. So anyways, we're going to move on to foundation, and I'm going to use this CoverGirl foundation in the shade 210, which is medium beige. So now, before you guys start asking why are my eyes red, my eyes are red because I wear contacts and my eyes are a little bit irritated right now with my contacts. So that is why I'm not high, because a lot of people comment on my stuff and say, why are your eyes always red? Are you always high? No, I'm not high. My contacts bother me. To blend out my foundation, I'm going to use the new Blendsmart brush, which is in their pink collection. And I'm sure you guys already seen me use this brush in the past because I have in my previous videos. And you guys already know I'm obsessed with this brush, and they came up with this pink collection, so I'm obsessed with this brush. So anyways, we're gonna blend out my foundation. And so now for concealer, I'm going to use a Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm just going to grab my damp beauty blender and blend it out. Now I'm going to bake, and I'm going to use the Airspun translucent powder. So now I'm going to move in with the ice, and I'm going to use this Beauty Professional palette. It looks like this. It looks like this. And I'm going to apply this color on my crease. Then I'm going to grab this Beauty Professional crease diffuser, and I'm going to go in with the darker shade, just this one right here. So now I'm going to grab this Beauty Professional Peak Liner brush, and I'm going to go in with my concealer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade 1.5. Just going to grab a little bit, and I'm just going to apply this to my eyelid. Then I'm going to go in with this color right here. Then I'm just gonna go back in with this darker shade to blend out the colors. I'm gonna go back in with that same shade and I'm gonna apply that color to the bottom lash line. And I'm going to take this Mellow Cosmetics Precision Eyeliner. And I know I look pretty funky right now too. So I applied my eyelashes off camera. And then I tried this on this eye and I liked how it came out. So what I used this NYX Liquid Crystal Liner. That's what I'm gonna use. And I'm trying not to put a lot of pressure on it. Just barely any pressure. I don't know if you guys could see, I moved my lid and now I have a mess there. So now I have to clean it up. So I'll just wait till it dries. So now I'll wait for this to dry so I could fix it. I'm going to take this Pop Beauty Gilded Light. I'm going to apply this to the inner corner for the highlight. And I'm also going to use this for the brow bone. So now to clean this up, I'm going to go back in with the same color that I applied. And I'm just going to take this Pat Line brush by Beauty Professional. And just apply this there and try to define that glitter line that I did. So you see, so that's that. I know it's not perfect, but I like how it looks. So now we're going to contour and I'm going to use this Pure, or Pure, I don't know how to say it, Pure, however you want to say it, Mineral Glow. So I'm going to take this Beauty Professionals brush, which is called Contour Buffer. So now I'm going to take this Powwow powder, which is by Pop Beauty. It's called the Beach and Bronzer. And I'm going to take this one right here. So now I'm going to clean up my contour and I'm going to go back in with the Airspun translucent powder. So I'm going to take the Beauty Professional Set and Sculpt brush and brush off the translucent powder. For highlight, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hollywood Illuminator. You just can never forget how bomb this highlighter is. I'm going to take a smaller brush and highlight my nose. So now to set everything, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Powder. And I'm going to take my Beauty Professional Everyday Kabuki. For the lips, I'm going to use this Smashbox Cosmetics Always On Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the shade Rogue A. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And let me know any other video requests that you guys have in the comments down below. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!